The new Bloom CC4 continuous caster in Donawitz is currently the most modern plant of its kind worldwide and corresponds fully with Industry 4.0 and environmental standards. End users demand the highest flexibility in product size and shape in a broad product portfolio at high purity and homogeneity. Even purer steel with optimal surface characteristics is ensured by several design features. Soft and hard reduction ensure the production of homogeneous products with minimal segregations. Newest process models automatically optimize interaction of all process-related components. As a result, higher stress and lifetime of rails are ensured. Environmental protection today is state-of-the-art. The modern filter technology even excels governmental requirements by far. Run-out and yard logistics enable autonomous operation without operator intervention. Blooms are either directed to the cooling bed or stored in slow cooling boxes for optimum temperature control. The design of the caster enables the production of a wide product portfolio in super clean quality.